guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Amir. I'm all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of life content. So today I am doing a first impressions on Carter Beauty. They reached out to me on Instagram and they wanted to send me a couple of their products, and this is my first time getting a free package from a makeup brand, so I am super duper excited about that. So shout out to Carter Beauty. I was sent a eyeshadow palette, a eyeliner, 3 lip products, a beauty sponge, and a bronzer palette as well. And they also sent me a little note which says, "Hi lovely, we hope you love your Carter Beauty bits. We are now available in 1,500 Walmart stores and Walmart online. Love, Gemma and Team CB." So thank you Carter Beauty. I love the packaging. I love purple. Purple is my favorite color, as you can tell. So if you want to see how I created this look and how I feel about these products, then keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so I went ahead and I did my base off camera. So I'm going to start off with the Apollo bronzer palette. So I only set the center of my face with my Fenty powder. So I'm not really an expert with bronzers. So this is going to be another learning curve for me. So I'm going to start out with contouring my nose. So I'm going to take the shade Tender, help define my nose, and I'm taking this on a angled brush. So I'm only going to tap in there a few times, dust it off. Okay, so that looks good on the nose. I don't really like a harsh nose contour. Like, I want something slight. Now what I'm going to do, and I hope I don't mess this up, I'm going to dip into Scorch, which is the deepest shade in this palette, and I'm going to go over that just a little bit to see if it will make a difference. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, that's not bad for a nose contour. Now to move on to the cheeks and then the perimeter of my face, I'm going to start with the darkest shade, which is Scorch again, and I'm only taking a little bit on this brush right here. This is the number 2 brush from BH Cosmetics, and this came in a set. So I'm just going to start off with a light hand first and then slowly build it up. Okay, that's nice. So let's start building this up just a little bit. I don't want something that's like going to be too crazy looking. I want it to look fresh, but I do like how that's looking. I do like that. They also sent me a beauty sponge. This is what it looks like when it's dry. Something I don't know why I didn't use this to like set my makeup in place, but I will use that again, or use it next time I do my makeup, and I will get back to you guys on how I feel about that sponge. It has good density when dry, so I'm curious about how it'll expand and how it will feel once it's damp. So Carter Beauty also sent me a eyeshadow palette. This one is the Warm Velvet, It is a 18 pan shadow, and it looks like this inside. Beautiful warms, berries, orange shades. This is really cute for the spring and for the fall. I feel like this will be my go-to palette for something that's warm. So yeah, let's get into it. So you get 8 shimmers and then you get 8 mattes in here. And I keep on looking at this shade right here. This is called Real Gem. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to swatch the shimmers for you guys so you guys can see how pigmented they are while they are dry. Alright, so here are the shimmers. This one right here is called Beauties. This one is Overdressed, followed by Lavish. This one is Glory. Glory is very, very pretty. I am liking how she looks. The next one is Rich. Then it's Excess, which is really pretty. And we have Affluent and Golden. Now that we're up close and personal, I'm going to do a simple eye today just to get a feel for this palette. So if you guys do decide to pick this up, then you know how well, you know, they blend and how they perform and wear on the eye. So for my transition, let's go into Decadence, which is this shade right here. And I love how this palette has the names directly under the shades instead of on the back, because I find that shade numbers and the names on the back of palettes really do confuse me, because I don't know if it's going from left to right or right to left. But yeah, so there is a little bit of kickback, but the pickup on the brush is nice. Then to deepen up the crease, I am going to take the shade Luxe, which is a deeper orange. Now I'm going to deepen the crease up just a tad bit more, because I thought that Luxe was going to give it that deep warm orange shade, but that's okay. So I'm going to dip into Prestige. Now I don't want any colors to get lost, so of course I'm gonna continue to go back into each color so nothing will get lost. The only color that I'm not dipping back into constantly is the transition shade, but they are blending out really well together. And then I'm taking a clean brush. I'm going to dip into the shade 13, which is this brown right here, and I'm going to use it close to my lash line just to give a little bit of definition. Unfortunately, it's not as brown as I would like it to be. When I see browns in palettes, I am expecting for them to be rich and to give that like oomph that I, you know, would like to see from my brows, but that's perfectly okay. So I don't really like how that's looking. So what you do to one eye, you have to do to the other, which is okay. I'm going to take a brown liner. This one is from L'Oreal. This is their Never Fail eyeliner in black brown. And I'm just going to run that across my lash line because I do want to smoke it out just a tad bit, but not like too much. I just want to do it on the outside portion. And I'm taking that same brush that I used with that brown shade, and I'm helping to blend it out. So I dip back into it and then blend it out. When in doubt, just use a black eyeliner. It's okay. So speaking of black eyeliner, Carter Beauty also sent me their Supreme Gel Liner. And it does come with a little applicator. But I'm not going to use that. I just don't like how ooh. I definitely made a big old hole in this. I don't know if you guys can see, but I picked up a lot. I thought it was going to be hard, but it's pretty soft. So let me wipe some of that excess off. That was the easiest I've ever put on a gel liner. It's almost like a mousse formula. That's how soft it is. It's soft like a mousse, and it just glides on so well. For my inner corner, I am going to take Beauties, which is the first shade that I swatched, and I'm going to use that and put that on my tear duct area and brush it inward. This is a soft champagne color, which is really, really pretty, and this is on a dry brush, and it blends so well into the matte. I'm blending it upwards and back into those previous shades that I used, and this is only one time dipped into that shade. Okay, I do like that. And then just to go a little bit over top, I'm taking Golden, which is the lightest shimmer shade, and I'm just keeping that in the tear duct area. And that's really pretty. So I'm going to hop off camera and pop on some lashes, and then we're going to finish up the rest of the face. Okay, so I popped on some lashes, and then I did my bottom eye off camera as well. These lashes are from the Snack Shack. This is in the style Ariana, and I will leave her information in the description box. It's a black owned brand, and I adore her so much. Love the aesthetic of the brand. So Carter Beauty also sent me some mascara. This is their After Dark Volumizing mascara. Okay, so I really don't like the well, let me not say don't like, I just wish that the applicator was different instead of, you know, the traditional applicator. And then I used their black liner again just to make some faux moles. They also sent me some lip products. I have this is a velvet matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Word of Mouth. And then I was sent 2 lip tints. This one is in Free Speech, and then this one is in, no, this one is in the shade Melanie, and then this is Melanie, and then this one is Adele. I think I'm gonna use Adele today. This is what the lipstick looks like, the lip tint, and then the other lip tint. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then we're going to wrap up today's video. Okay, so here we have our finished look. So how do I feel about these products? They will definitely be in rotation for sure, especially that bronzer palette and this eyeshadow palette. Like, I love how warm this eye looks. Like, these colors are gorgeous. Even the shimmer shades are beautiful. So I really highly recommend you guys looking into Carter Beauty. They are really affordable. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this brand is in Walmart stores. I don't know why Walmart is so hard to say, but yeah, you can find this brand in Walmart, which is super affordable and budget friendly. So if you are new to makeup, I believe that this is a great starter eyeshadow palette for you guys. So you have your warms and your browns and a little bit of color, so you won't be intimidated on what to do with your eyeshadow, if it's too bright, if it's too dark. And they blend so well together, so I would give that a 10 out of 10. Now the bronzer palette, this will be in rotation as well. I am super surprised about how well this showed up on my skin tone, so I will be dipping into this again as well. I do love the black liner. The gel liner went on so smooth. That's all I can say. Get y'all hands on that gel liner. Like 10 out of 10 will definitely recommend. The lip products, I do like that red. I'm a lover of red lipstick now, so I can't wait to create a look using red, so you guys will know how I feel about that red on my lips. Okay, but I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, thank you Carter Beauty for sending me these products. I really do appreciate you guys. If you liked today's video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for staying into the end. Once again, my name is Amir. I'm all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of life content, and I hope I get to see you guys in the next one. Bye.